Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will walk through the process of testing your camera on Microsoft Teams. As remote collaboration becomes more common, verifying that your equipment works perfectly is essential for any professional or personal call. Let's ensure your video setup is ready for your next session. Begin by navigating to the official Microsoft Teams website. Click the Sign In button and enter your account information to access the platform's various features, including its robust video conferencing tools. Once you are logged in, locate the calendar icon on the left-hand side of the interface. This dashboard neatly organizes all your scheduled meetings, allowing you to find the specific one you wish to prepare for. Select your meeting from the list, and then click the Join button. This action takes you to a pre-meeting configuration screen rather than starting the call immediately, which is the ideal place for testing. Look for the camera toggle switch, typically marked with a camera icon, and turn it on. You should immediately see a preview of your video feed. Take this opportunity to adjust your positioning or lighting to ensure you are clearly visible to others. To access further customizations, click the gear icon located near the video toggle. This menu allows you to select your preferred camera source. If you have multiple devices, such as an integrated laptop camera and an external webcam, you can choose the one that provides the best quality here. By following these steps, you have successfully verified your camera settings on Microsoft Teams. Proper preparation ensures your virtual communication remains smooth and professional, regardless of your internet speed. Thank you for following along with us today. Whether it is a high-stakes business meeting or a casual chat, you can now join with total confidence knowing your setup is perfect. We look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial for more helpful tips on mastering your digital tools and platforms.